man himself.
How you going?
Good man, how are you?
Good, good. How are you?
Yeah, really good, eh?
Loving it?
Yeah, it's a bit wet out here today.
Yes,
eh?
it is.
It's good. Something different. Might be a bit cooler, eh?
Yeah, hopefully. Shooting shit yesterday, so
Yeah.
feeling it. Boys are upstairs.
Are they?
Hey,
Hey,
what's going on, man?
DJ.
Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, man.
Andre, good, good.
A curve into the magic angle, yeah? Or will they make like a sail or a
What's been happening?
Not much, man. It's the same old.
golf? That's what
Yeah, we've
You've
played
been
a
golfing.
lot of golf.
Have you?
Playing golf now.
Yeah, man, we just watched Happy Gilmore last night, eh?
Do you play golf?
I have before. I got clubs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's really goldy, eh?
No, I'm just south from here, like 20 minutes, like 10 minutes. Yeah, I don't mind a bit of golf. I'm not very good, but
It's hard. Yeah, we're not
Yeah.
very frustrating sport, eh?
Yeah. How are you? Yeah. We would have put it in the bucket, we'd have like 10 minutes, but when you put it separately,
yeah,
that's what you're using all the
like what I do with the salt. I'll have to try some of that.
Yeah, because it's just one bag of last year.
Yeah.
We use it every single morning, so.
Looks like a nice smooth mix. You guys always, your mix is always really nice.
Thanks, mate.
And this was just.
I struggle because my mixes are always shit.
Well, if you give me 200 bucks a day, I'll mix the well. That's it.
Free filling. That for the fridge there, eh?
Yeah. Oh man, like something fill them tight just in case that little tiny cap they put on
Yeah,
doesn't cover it.
yeah.
Oh yeah, Max, we can finally explain. These are the power points, all these little holes
Yep.
are power points. And like in America and like all the other places, they're flush with the board, but ours is flush with the timber.
Yep.
And it's like that. So there's a bracket inside, the sheeters just knock the hole out, and then the sparkies come and cut it out.
Yep.
And then
Much easier.
Yeah,
'Cause
much
especially
easier.
if it's around here, you can just go straight over it and
exactly, yeah.
you don't get anything out. Especially if they don't blade back. You know, they can get a lot of crap in it. And
Oh, they have to do all their little boxes by hand, all the ones that are flush, and you got to router out it. It's definitely not as easy as here. Same as the ceiling, they've got them all throughout their ceiling joints as well.
yeah, right in the way, hey.
Yeah, they got a lot more work.
And surely you pick up rocks in that.
Yeah, well, you see like the TK drywall stuff. He does all of this by hand. You can see the joins running, you've got the perfect circle around them.
Yeah.
And they just turn at the end.
And it's a lot to do just for that, eh?
Yeah, just for a little while.
Yeah. So they're just going around filling up any
Yeah.
big open
Any
spots.
big gaps, any stacks on the board because of the frame, any damages.
And the electrician, they know exactly where everything is. It's all planned. See?
Up and then go down to the walls and you're done. You know?
Yeah.
So, like,
Yeah, and when
I'll
you were
just run
doing
the
it, you
box.
were non-stop
I'll
trying
just
to
run
keep
the-
up, eh?
I just run the box now behind him instead of filling by hand. Just like the 8-inch tape roller. Take this split level.
Mudley.
Yep.
Are you using that same mix that you've already mixed with?
No. Nah,
You gonna start a new one?
That'll get washed.
Yeah.
We use 90.
Start a 90 mix.
Yep.
Have we made a video about that accelerator stuff?
No.
I wish I had a tag for the accelerator. Just Google it.
I've never even used this stuff before in my life.
Oh man, I did a patch at my gym. My
Yeah.
physio works there, and he had some dings and stuff.
Yeah.
So I mix it, throw that in. By the time I've done the patch, cleaned it, I could do it again.
Yeah.
So you can put 3
That
packs
fast?
on like that, so quick. Yeah, 5-10 minutes.
And you can use good product, eh?
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah, I'll try it instead of salt. Salt works.
Salt works, but not nowhere near as good as that.
Yeah.
And I don't know if it breaks it down, salt.
Yeah.
It makes it weaker.
I did a little test at my house. I got a patch that I never top coated,
Yeah.
but I salted it up really good, and it's still hard and still good. Like,
Yeah. Depends what you use too. Like corner cement's probably the strongest of bases,
yeah,
so that helps.
that's what I tell everyone.
Yeah. Most people like to use corners.
It doesn't shrink either.
Yeah, because when I used to use patches, it was so annoying because you'd have to go and buy a 5-minute base, or if it was a little bit bigger and patch, you'd try and fight 20 minutes.
Yeah,
And you've got to time it all the time.
but that 5 minute doesn't actually go off.
Nah, you can
Stays-
work with it
stays
for
wet.
about 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Someone wash it with it's free.
Mudbox training.
The one.
Boris uses WD-40 in his hair.
Yeah.
I read online.
Keeps it slick.
Last time I ran one of these, I put corn cement in it, and the guy who mixed it up
Are
did
you
a really
kidding?
bad mix, and it was just wasn't fun, man. Doesn't go as smooth as what you guys do. But I tell you what.
You did not put corner cement.
Oh, I did.
No way. That's crazy.
The cowboy. I'm the cowboy.
I only run 90 in it if I'm doing a house like this, and if I'm just doing one unit sometimes I'll run 45.
Yeah.
Because if we're going to put the box on straight after, I need it to be dry.
Yeah.
Otherwise it just takes too long, especially weather like this.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I figured as well. I needed it done, coated that day.
Yeah.
And I didn't get it all done. And it started to get real hard to pull.
Yep.
And yeah, then I had to can it and quickly wash out.